जय जय राम कृष्ण हरी. बोला पुंडलिक वरदारी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम. पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. संत सद्गुरु गणेशनाथ महाराज की जय. Today here Sant Sadhguru Ganeshnath Maharaj have told us about why we are so far from the God, and this is Abhang number, serial number 47. Crore of people are living in this world with their own mindsets, but they don't know something is common there, that is called spirituality, and due to this we are living. So what Sant Sadhguru Ganeshnath Maharaj want to tell us? Look at our own body and just see who is standing in front of us, that person body. What is the physical structure? If you can see, both are same. 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 hand, 2 prana, means oxygen coming and going. So this prana is also same. So what is difference? Yeah, it is there, and that difference is called different type of mindset, thinking process, thinking ways. So in this world, crores of people are there. So crores of thoughts or crores of ways are there to know the God, to know the spirituality. So we can't forcefully put our own thought to someone's head and just tell them, like give order, please follow this thought blindly. No, we can't do like that. That's the reason Sadhguru is very important in our life, because he will not forcefully put his thought on our head. What he will tell, just this is the way, some methodology is there to know the spirituality. So he will just guide us, but as per our own nature, own thought process, we have to give some time to Atma Chintana, to know ourselves. If you came to that experience, if you come to know ourselves, then that is our own satisfaction. It can't explain in word, or we can't compare to other. Understand? Because every human being have his own mindset, and as per that they are living in this world. So also there is a space, earth, water, air and fire. These are the Panch Mahabhuta through this physical body have made. So we have to give some time to think about how this air is flowing, how this water is existed on this earth, how this Panch Mahabhuta made by God. We have to just think about all those things and give some time to know our body also, because see, same things included in our body also. If you come given some time to knowing ourselves, definitely one day will come in our life, that day we will know the spirituality. Then no one can break us, no one can burn us, because that time we will know that undestroyable position, and we will sit on that position. So that's the reason he is telling, in this world crores of people are there, they are just eating, sleeping, and one day they will die, but they will not spend time to know all those things. What they are thinking, this human body is only have one janma, so why we will not enjoy the life? Yeah, we have to enjoy. This is our must thing in this life. But how enjoy? Just drinking, smoking is not an enjoyment. It's a destroying body with bad habit. So what we have to enjoy? We have to see our own nature, how this Parameshwar Paramatma Swarupa, Atma Swarupa existed in our body. If you give some time to know those things, and once we reach or once we come to know this spirituality, then no one can make us sad, no one can make us trouble, because we are out of those things. Then we will own free bird, we can fly in the air, we can swim in the water, whatever we want to do, we can do, because we come to know that spirituality. So many places we are traveling, but we are not going to that place where we will come to know spirituality, and that place is called our own heart, or we can tell Atma. Yes, just see, from childhood to old age, every time we are just thinking about outside places, outside world, sometime education purpose, sometime business purpose, sometime family trip purpose, we are just traveling here and there, but we are not giving 10 minutes also to know some places existed in our body, to know those places. If you give some time to know those places, definitely we will make our own control on this body, and we will walk successfully in any path, whatever goal, if it is regarding physical world, or it is regarding paramartha marga, means regarding spirituality, anything we can achieve. But first we have to know these places which are existed in the body. We have made so many rules and laws, but we are not following those rules which are required to know ourselves. Yes, when we are living in the society, that society standardness through, they have made some rules, like if you want to drive the car, then we have to follow those driving rule, otherwise we can't have permission to drive the car. And if without following those rules, if you drive the car, then we have to pay some fine. Same thing, if you are living in this human being life or human being body, then we have to make ourselves some rule. We have to keep some target, some goal front of us. If there is no goal, then we will here and there just walking, and one day we will die. It is a wastage of life without goal. So we have to decide our goal, what we want to do, what we have to become. Not only this physical designation, means designations, something is there beyond that, something is there above those things. So what we have to give some time to know our internal spirituality. If you open our inner vision, then we will come to know our something bad thoughts are there, something good thoughts are there. So what we have to do, we have to cut that wrong way, wrong path, and we have to walk on that path, which path through we can reach that God place, we can reach where my Yeshu Christ ji, where is my Preshit Muhammad Paigambar ji, where is my Bhagwan Gautam Buddha ji, where is my Bhagwan Mahavir ji, where is my Krishna Paramatma, where is my Ram Prabhu, where is all these my Sant Sadhu Mahatma. We can reach that same position, because what they have done, they just kept mercy, peace, calm, love, and due to that they become like God. So we also have that chance, but we are not giving some time to improve those quality. We are just fighting each other and spending time. But if you spend time to know ourselves, our good quality, our bad habit, then we will remove those bad habit, and we will walk on that good path, and then we will become good human being. Type of thought, different type of thinking process, as per that we are living. So only human being have that chance to know that spirituality, to know the God, because other animal sense, other animal thought process have some limitation, but human is not like that. So if you concentrately do some Atma Chintana, definitely we will come to know that spirituality. And Sant Sadguru Ganeshnath Maharaj told that, "Oh God, please give me chance to do service for sages, Sant and Sadhu Mahatma, so I can find right path to survive in the life." Yes, because if you are just living like child, adult, old and die, and whatever is our normal duties are there, following those things, and one day will die. there is something extraordinary we have to do in this human being life, but we are not doing that things. Old, if you think some years before, like 2000 years before or 1005 years before, those people what are doing, they are giving some time to themselves, to know themselves. But nowadays, due to this busy schedule, busy life, we are maximum giving time to handle our business, to handle our family, or do lot of things, but we are not giving to improve that love, to improve our humanity. We are just living like one type of machinery. But Sant Sadguru Nishnath Maharaj is telling here, don't do like that. Just read some proper books, or I told you, that is enough for me, because in that only that Sant Sadhu Mahatma is satisfied. So what we have to do, just we have to keep their words in the mind, and we have to walk on that path to come to know ourselves. Ganeshnath, 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 Ganeshnath. बोला पुंडलिक वरदे हरि विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम.